Now I want to check in the code of this application that I have just added. But first, let's try and see what are the icons on the left. Second one is called the work items. This get me the work item query that I will choose. It's by default here for bugs, so I think I need the one for the iteration backlog. So I'm gonna choose, select the query. I'm gonna choose iteration 1 backlog, and will get me the two user stories we have done before and the task. So what is the benefit of getting the work items here? Okay, if I select the task, it will show me here the check-in action. Is it resolve or associate? Resolve means that the files that I'm going to check in will resolve the task, meaning that I have ended the implementation. Or I can just choose associate, which means that I have done some code for this task. Let's see the next icon. This is called check-in notes. Check-in notes is just a metadata that you can use with your software process. For example, here, if I want to add a code reviewer or a security reviewer or performance reviewer, again, this is just a metadata. You can configure it as you like. So if I want to configure the notes here, I will go to my team project, right click, go to team project settings and choose source control. In source control, third tab, check-in notes. As you can see here, you can remove or add whatever you like. And the first tab, checkout settings, is very important. First option here tells me to enable multiple checkout, means more than one person will edit the file. Second option, it's about getting latest with every checkout. So you can check on this if you want. I'm gonna cancel here, we didn't change anything. Now the next icon is called check-in policy. Now check-in policy, you can set any policy you want, which must be satisfied with every check-in. So for example, right click on team project, go team project settings to source control. In the middle tab, we will find the check-in policy. Now I want to add a check-in policy for work item. Means no one to check a code without saying what this code was intended to. Was it for solving a bug or implementing a task? Click OK. Now I want to try this check-in policy. But first, I will go to the work item to undo the association with this task and click on check-in. As you can see here, it tells me that I didn't satisfy the check-in policy. So now I have to go to the work item, select a task, select associate or resolve as you want, and check-in. And it accepts the check-in now. Now after we have checked in, I want to see the task that I have associated the check-in files with. In the task, the third tab called all links, you will find something called change set. Change set mean your check-in. If you make check-in for 1 file or 10 file, this is called a change set in the language of the TFS. So if I double click on this change set, it will get me the files that was checked in, if there were other work items, if there were any policies that was not satisfied, everything related to this check-in will now be available to me if I double click on it. And here you can see my comments for initial file, the files that was already checked in, who was the user, change set number, date and time, and what are the work items associated with this check-in. You can here only found it's only one task. There are no check-in notes and there are no warnings for unsatisfied policies.